Expectorant, basically used to clear the mucus from the airways. Antitussive agent to suppress the coughing center, right? Cough is a protective reflex that expels out the respiratory secretion and foreign particles from the airways, right? Now, the coughing mechanism is given basically when we cough, the mechano or chemoreceptor in the throat and respiratory pathway, they get stretched up and they cause cough, right? Now, via microorganism allergens irritate the throat receptor, activate signal sends to the brain activate the coughing center and coughing start. Types of cough: useless or non-protective cough. In this dry cough there is no coughing, basically there is no mucus secretion here. But in useful or productive cough there is in this there is the airways get blocked by the mucus, right? Now, on the basis of duration, coughing is acute and chronic. It acute lasts for 2-3 weeks in upper respiratory tract, and chronic in this more than 3 weeks. It is due to smoking and all, like long term effect. Now, drugs for the coughing. In this, pharyngeal deemulsant. In this, that they mask the allergens. For example, this is our airways, right? And this black one is the allergens. So the DMLsint mask this allergent and therefore mask the that allergent, and the signals brain के पास नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं, right? And give the soothing effect. For example, oranges, syrup, licorice. B is expectorant. In this, it expels out the mucus secretion and enhances, and it also helps in dilution of it. For example, potassium iodide, citrate, and all. In this, mucolytic agent also come. In this mucolytic agent, for example, some of the cough where the mucus is highly viscous because the glycoprotein inside form the disulfide bond. So therefore, it causes lysis of this mucus so that it can be easily expelled out. For example, bromomethazine acid. These are the examples of mucolytic agent. And C is antitussive agent. In this, the coughing enters the in this coughing center is suppressed. Basically, for example, we cough, so the our center, the chemoreceptor center of the brain get activated earlier, so we increase its threshold so that coughing like for example, जब coughing बहुत ही ज़्यादा उसकी intensity होगी तभी वो coughing center वो होगा activate होगा and it shows its action. There is 3 subparts of this: the opioids, non-opioids, and antihistaminic agent. In antihistaminic agent, it suppresses the histaminic activity. Histamine, as we know, that it is responsible for the inflammation.